हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम ऑन माय यूट्यूब चैनल स्टडी विथ रमन। आज हम इंग्लिश का लेसन प्लान नंबर 23 कर रहे हैं और जो आज का हमारा टॉपिक है वो एक पोइम है, वेयर द माइंड इज़ विदाउट फियर। और ये हमारा एक मैक्रो लेसन प्लान है। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। सबसे पहले आएगा पीटीसी रोल नंबर 66, सब्जेक्ट इंग्लिश, टॉपिक वेयर द माइंड इज़ विदाउट फियर, क्लास 8th, ड्यूरेशन 35 मिनट। देन आएगी डेट। Journal objectives number 1 to develop all 4 basic skills like listening, speaking, reading and writing. Number 2 to develop correct pronunciation and efficient vocabulary. Number 3 to develop interest of students in English language. Number 4 to enable the students to appreciate the aesthetic sense of poetry. इसके बाद आएंगे हमारे स्पेसिफिक ऑब्जेक्टिव्स। नंबर 1 स्टूडेंट्स विल बी एबल टू रिसाइट द पोएम विद प्रॉपर gesture and rhythm. Number 2 students will be able to explain the content of the poem. Number 3 students will be able to write the central idea of the poem. Then आएंगे हमारे टीचिंग एड्स। A well occupied classroom containing chalk, duster, pointer, blackboard etc. Pictures related to the topic. और आगे इसके पीके टेस्टिंग मीन्स प्रीवियस नॉलेज टेस्टिंग ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स। पीटी will introduce the topic by asking a few questions to the students. Question number 1 who wrote the national anthem of India? Question number 2 name a famous collection of poems by Rabindranath Tagore. Question number 3 recite a poem from Gitanjali. Then announcement of the topic. Well students, today we will discuss the poem Where the Mind is Without Fear. Then आएगी हमारी presentation. Step number 1 introduction. PT will create the atmosphere of the poem by giving a brief introduction of the poem and the positive knowledge is essential for freedom. Step number 2 model recitation by the PT. PT will recite the poem with gesture, proper stress, rhythm and intonation. At this time, the students will keep their books closed, listen carefully and enjoy the recitation. Step number 3 PT's second model recitation. PT will ask the students to open their notebooks and proceed with the second model recitation with the meaningful gesture, proper stress, rhythm, intonation and voice modulation. Step number 4 pronunciation drill and explanation of difficult words. PT will conduct pronunciation drill and the difficult words with the explained in simple English with the active participation of students. PT will write the difficult words on the blackboard with their meanings. Number 1 fragments means pieces. Number 2 domestic means related to the family. Number 3 striving means try hard. Number 4 tireless means without getting tired. Number 5 the means God. Step number 5 follow up recitation by the students. PT will ask the student to recite the poem one by one depending on the availability of the time. If a student mispronounces a word or a line, it will be corrected by the PT with the active participation of the students. Step number 6 silent reading by the students. Student will be asked to read the poem silently and contemplate to grasp the thought and content and aesthetic sense of the poem. Queries of the student will be stated. Step number 7 recapitulation. In order to comprehend knowledge and understanding of the students, PT will ask the following questions. Question number 1 what does the expression where the mind is without fear mean? Question number 2 what breaks into fragments? Step number 8 final recapitulation. PT will give a final recitation of the poem with proper stress, rhythm and intonation at the end to fix the final impact of the poem on the minds of the students. Then आएगा हमारा homework. Explain other poems from the anthology Gitanjali and write down the major themes in the poem any two. और इसी के साथ जो आज का हमारा लेसन प्लान था वो ख़त्म होता है। इसके आगे इसकी पिक्चर्स ऐड कर दी गई हैं। आप चाहो तो इसे पोस्ट करके लिख भी सकते हो। अगर मेरा कंटेंट और मेरी वीडियोस आपके लिए हेल्पफुल है तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल फॉर मोर वीडियोस।